Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and today we're going to take a look at some wireless headphones from Status Audio. These are the Between 3 ANCs, true wireless headphones. So let's start the video, show you what I'm talking about. Pow. Alright guys, so here we have the Status Audio Between 3 ANCs. Big shout out to them for actually sending this out to me. These are really hyped right now. It does have the hybrid triple drivers compared to the one from Apple, which it has a single driver. This is a triple driver, so I'm very curious to see how it is. I do have a nice little cheat sheet here that they have over here. So we do have the hybrid triple driver system for the studio quality audio. It does have a mobile app, so you can actually customize your controls for your audio. USB Type-C wireless charging for convenience, 12 hours of playback if you do use the ANC off for the all-day use, and it does have the Bluetooth 5.2 with the multi-point connectivity to reduce repairing, and we do have the hybrid ANC with transparency mode for crystal clear sound. Now, but just might have to do some work here. Pop this out just like so. It is not coming out. All right, so we have to take the plastic off. All right, so the plastic is coming off. There we go. The Between 3 ANCs. There we go. Finally out. We do have the Status logo right there if you guys are curious, and on the inside we could just pop this out. Status, simple, beautiful audio. Alright, so let's just pop this baby open and see what it looks like. Status Between Audio. Big shout out to the founder, James. Happy. Any problems? So you guys could pause this and read it for yourself. You definitely can. This is what the design looks like if you guys are curious. A little bit different. It does actually look like it looks like a regular earbud, and they have those attachment to it. Warranty information. Status Between 3 ANCs. So we have another guide here. All right, this is what it looks like in the ear if you guys are curious. We include 3 different silicone fit wings, so if you guys want to change the tips, you guys can do that. If you guys want to download the app, just put your phone to the screen, and that is the QR code. So I do have to do that myself. Let's see what I could do here. So I'm going to download the app, so we definitely get the full experience. Alright, so here is the design of it. So what do you guys think? A little bit different. It does have that glossy look right here on the edges, and it looks like it charges just like that. You can just pop those in just like that. And let's see what else is in the box itself. You guys can pop it open, see what we got here. So it looks like we do have our charging cables. So we have our regular USB and our USB Type-C to charge. Let's see what else comes in the packaging here. And we do have our wing tips here if you want to change it out. If you have smaller ears or if you have bigger ears, you guys could just change out the tips right here. So that's always appreciated, especially when it comes to earbuds. You do want to get that nice fit, so if anything happens, you get that full sound with no type of issues. So if you want to pair this up, you do have a little button right there in the back. You just got to hold it down, and then you could pair it up, and then you could click that Between 3 ANC, and then let's go into the app, and then you refresh just like so. Select your device. All right, Between 3 ANCs, so you have to take them out. All right, and press connect. Now they are connecting to both, and it looks like the right side has 100%, left side has 93%. All right guys, so I'm going to do a little bit of a test. I'm going to come back. I'm going to let you know exactly how they sound. I listen to so many different types of music, so I'm very curious to see how they sound. I'll be right back. Let's give this a go. All right guys, so we are now back. I did about an hour of testing with these just to see how the sound quality is, how the volume was, how the bass was. Now, I am not an audiophile, so I can't really break down the mids and the treble and the bass, but what I can tell you, as far as the app, if you have the active noise canceling off and you have this sound mode on signature, this sounds really, really good. And for the price, I am definitely happy with this. You do have a couple of other profiles here. If you get the status audio file, the volume does go a little bit down, but it sounds a little bit better. And if you get the original Between Pro, you still have that lower volume. But in my case, I just like to have bass and I like to have volume, and you definitely get that with the regular status signature sound mode. You can actually create your custom EQ as well if you guys are good at that. I am really not the best when it comes to that, but it does actually work. Now, as far as the active noise canceling, those work pretty well, but it does actually bring down the volume, of course. But if you do have that on, it works pretty good so far. And as far as the sound mode, we do have the ambient sound mode. I didn't really get to test that out since I am on the inside, but we will definitely do an update in the comments if you guys are curious about that. I do have the latest update if you guys are curious, see, just like that. But as far as the Status 3 ANCs, I am impressed. Maybe just the design is a little bit awkward for me, but a lot of these all look the same. So having these, they do actually stand out a little bit. So if you guys like this video, hit it with a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and follow Phonetech at Work for more videos like this of Status audio products and more tech to come. Peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.